Okay, and the last part of these notes, which is probably new for a lot of you, compound inequalities, it just means that there are two inequalities. So if I wanted to express all real numbers, so all of my numbers are greater than 0, and all of those numbers are also less than or equal to 4. Here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All real numbers greater than 0 looks like this, but they have to be less than or equal to 4. So once I get to 5, that is greater than 0, but 5 is not less than or equal to 4, so we're going to just stop this and draw the bar between the two circles. And that is an AND statement. And then if I wanted to say that all real numbers are less than -2, or all of those numbers are greater than 2, here's -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Here's all of my numbers that are less than 2. Here are all of my numbers that are greater than 2. OR statements are split. They go different ways. AND statements are together. It's one bar in the middle. So when you're solving these, you solve these like you solve any other inequality, but instead of one equal sign, we have two equal signs. So when you add 8, there are 3 spots where you have to add 8. -2 plus 8 is 6. Keep the sign, keep the 3x, this canceled, less than or equal to, 10 plus 8 is 18. Divide both sides by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Keep the sign, keep the sign. So this is saying that x is between 2 and 6. 2 has the equal sign, so it'll be a closed circle. 6 also has an equal sign, also a closed circle. X is between 2 and 6. So make sure that the bar goes in the middle of 2 and 6. Number 7, or sorry, example 2, subtract 5. When you subtract it from all parts. 17 minus 5 is 12, is less than -3x, is less than 24. When you divide by -3, we divide all parts by -3. And we are dividing by a negative, so we want to flip the inequality sign. 12 divided by -3 is -4, x, -8. So x is between -4 and -8. When you do your number line, -8, 7, 6, 5, this is -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. Make sure you're putting this in the right order. -8 is smaller than -4, so it should be on the left. And then your x's are between -8 and -4. No closed circles because these are both greater than signs. OR statements are probably a little more familiar to you. OR statements just mean solve one equation, subtract 8 from both sides, divide by 2, and you get x is less than -1. Open circle, arrow to the left. And then we're going to solve our next inequality. 3x is greater than or equal to 15. Divide by 3. X is greater than or equal to 5. Just put it on the other end. Close circle, and this time arrow to the right. So OR statements, you just take two inequalities, graph them on the same number line. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3x is less than 3. Divide by 3. X is less than 1. Here's 1. Open circle. Arrow to the left. add 5 to both sides, 2x is greater than 12, divide by 2, x is greater than 6. Again, here's 6, open circle, x is greater than 6, arrow goes to the right. I will post the rest of the answer key on Schoology.